Hi everyone, this is the Man vs. Food Payday Edition. Hi John! What can you say? You are the winner for today's, yay! For today's Man vs. Food episode.
Bravo.
So what can you say about the food that you ate? John!
Oh my gosh.
John! Look! You won! Man versus food! Woo!
Man
Yay!
conquered food.
Yay! And JR, you lost the game.
Yeah, I lost.
Where's
able to
the
finish
food?
my
Where's the food?
It's in my bag.
Ah, too bad. And for me, I will go home happy and
Full.
full. Yay! Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
See you next payday.
Pinalaki. Pinalaki. Pinakamalaki.